In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the ChatGPT Search Chrome extension as your default search engine. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is fully loaded and that you're connected to the internet, since you'll need access to the Chrome web store to install the extension. This process is very simple, but taking it slowly the first time can help you avoid missing any prompts or settings. Once Chrome is open, head over to the Chrome web store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions are available, so it's the safest and most reliable source for installation. When you arrive there, use the search bar in the store to look for the ChatGPT Search Chrome extension. Be sure to select the correct result that matches the extension name you're looking for. After you find it, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will then show a confirmation prompt before installing the extension. This is normal and gives you a chance to review what's being added to your browser. Go ahead and confirm the installation to continue. In most cases, the extension should install within a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you may need to open Chrome's search settings. This depends on how your browser is currently configured. If Chrome doesn't automatically switch your search provider, the settings page is where you can update it manually. Take a moment to locate the search engine section so you can make sure the new extension is available as an option. From there, set ChatGPT Search as your default search engine. This is the key step that allows you to use it directly from the Chrome address bar, also known as the Omni box. After this setting is applied, your searches and questions can be sent through ChatGPT Search without needing to visit a separate website first. To make sure everything is working correctly, test it by typing a question directly into the Chrome address bar. Press enter and check that the results open using ChatGPT Search. If it does, then the setup is complete and you're ready to use it in your everyday browsing. If it doesn't work right away, simply return to the search settings and confirm that ChatGPT Search is still selected as the default. Sometimes a quick double check is all it takes, and that's it. You've successfully installed the extension, changed your default search engine, and tested the setup in Chrome.